Hello children, let us begin Unit 4, 4.4 My Financial Career. Before we start with the lesson, I would like to start it with a thought, a proverb that is, a penny saved is a penny gained. With this proverb in mind, let us start with the lesson. Let us learn about the author. Stephen P.H. Butler Leacock, 1869-1944, a Canadian teacher, political scientist, writer, and humorist, was an English born polyglot having proficiency in English, French, and German. His stories were published in USA and Canada, first in magazines and later in novel form. Stephen Leacock Award for Humor was created to recognize the best in Canadian literary humor. Let us see the central idea of the lesson. Stephen Leacock is a Canadian writer. In this essay, My Financial Career, he humorously presents a person's first experience in the bank. He amuses the readers by exposing the narrator's tension and stupid actions in the bank. Let us see the summary of the lesson. The narrator's salary has been increased to $50 a month and he wants to deposit the extra money in the bank. Children, we all, our parents also, they deposit money in the bank. So, over here also, the narrator felt that he need to deposit the money in the bank. When he enters the bank, the sight of the clerks and the wickets make him nervous. He does not understand what he is talking to or doing. He makes a lot of errors while filling up the check, and the others in the bank do not seem to support or correct him. They simply stare at him in amazement. The man himself is responsible for this failure. The people in the bank are also factors that made him fail. After reading the lesson, we come to know, uh, we come to the conclusion that the man failed because of lack of care from the people in the bank and his shyness and pride. He would have succeeded if he was more insistent in getting his job done, ignoring his pride, or if the people in the bank would have helped him warmly. This is a humorous story, but the writer wrote the story based on real life experiences of so many people. Let us move on to the warming up activity. Children, you all must have visited bank and you must have seen such kind of slip. Open your textbook, that is page number 100. My Financial Career Warming Up Activity. After you open this page, you will see that the first question is, when you open a savings account at bank, you need to fill up deposit forms or slips. Observe the following form and fill up your details. Children, you have to do it on your own at home. All the details are given, and why these details are necessary, this also we are going to see. Now, let us focus on question 2, that is, write in your own words. I will be discussing here, write in your own words. Question 1 is, why does the bank need so many details of its customer? Now, children, really we think that so many details are necessary nowadays. We need to present our PAN card or Aadhaar card and so many things. Why they are necessary? The bank needs this many details of its customer to avoid fraudulent transactions. Many times people may give to bank, or they may misguide by giving false details, false address, false documents. So this is not accepted. That's why bank needs all the details for verification to safeguard their accounts. Banks ask questions to its customers on different matters because they want to know them and their life situation, so that they can provide good advice and offer banking services suited to the needs of its customers. Banks even get information from customers so that they can support banks against crime and bear their share of social responsibility. Everybody, even the customer as well as bank employees, the overall bank, it is the understanding between the between the customer and the bank who is providing the service to the customer. So that's why bank needs so many details from its customers. Let us move on to the second question, that is, what problems do customers face when they have to make a cash deposit at a bank? Now, some of the problems that customers they have to face when they have to make a cash deposit at the bank, they are it is a there is a long queue. So the customers they have to, nowadays we have got internet banking, but in those days it was not that. That's why customers they had to stand for a long time in queue till their turn came. And it was even troublesome for illiterate people who had to go from one window to the other and seek advice from the others so that they can do the transaction. Sometimes the bank server is down. In computers also we can see that they tell you that the server is down, they won't be able to support and not functioning, which can be a problem in depositing the cash. Moreover, many banks will not let you deposit cash into an account if you do not if your name is not there as the account holder. You have to even carry your passbook, your checkbook, the slip, everything, your other details when you deposit or withdraw cash from the bank. This is essential. Let us move on to the next question. What are the latest modern methods of depositing money in your own or somebody else's account? Now, nowadays we have got ATM counters to withdraw cash at any automated teller machine. Then we can pay by check and we can pay order. Electronic funds transfers are there. Internet banking is there, through which online banking is there. Overdraft, then banking through apps nowadays they have come. So many Amazon app and so many other apps are there through which then they swift to international account transfer also. So so many things are there nowadays that support and make banking very easy. Now children, make a word web of at least 12 words related to banking. The 12 words, do it on your own in your notebooks. I'll just tell you some words of banking related, 12 words. Now it is, what are these? It is a word register. Make a word register. So you have to make a word register. For example, we can say balance, bank statement, borrower, card holder, credit limit, depositor, then internet, overdraft, passbook, checkbook, savings, telebanking, paying slip, withdrawal slip, lending rate, then debit card, credit card, commission, banker's order, credit account, savings account, and so many, etc. Now children, in the next video we will be doing the explanation of the lesson. Thank you.